Alright, I got a new Zippo. It's a pretty nice one. Let's take a look at it. Now this one arrived in a little bit better box. It's got that cardboard sleeve, and that says Bling Zippo Flame. And the cardboard sleeve is enclosing the kind of felt-like presentation box. It's a pretty nice box. That also says Bling Zippo Flame. And there you see it for the first shot. It's got lots of little crystals on their flame logo, and you can see the box is pretty nice. Kind of a satin lined presentation box, pretty nice. So there's the Zippo. It's a two-part plaque that's on that lighter, and it's a black matte finish. And this one was made in, looks like H of this, or last year, H of 16, which is, I think that's August. And made in Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Pretty nice Zippo, lots of little stones. See how it fires up. Okay, it fires up pretty nice. The sound is not the usual Zippo sound because of the plaque that is glued onto that thing. It's either glued on or some kind of welding. So that is the red, no, it's not, Zippo Bling Flame. Let's do a drop test, a lighted drop test from about 3 feet, maybe 2 feet. Okay, there's a lighted drop test of the Zippo Bling Flame. Stay lit. Pretty nice Zippo. Not as nice as this Zippo Bling, which I've had several of these. So that is the Zippo Bling, or the Bling Zippo Flame. Pretty nice, and yes, they are made in the USA, and they definitely deserve some cowbell. Knuckle bump.